So check it out, because this is very important. For a Marx customizer, this is a rite of passage. You have to put a Marx smoker motor in either a Commodore Vanderbilt or a Marx Mercury, the 1666 with smoke unit, or a 666 motor, the same motor. Anyway, this one came with the 5 Commodore Vanderbilts I told you about earlier in another video. And this one, apparently somebody stripped all the paint off and polished it up, and then they must have sprayed lacquer over it. And I really like the looks of it, and then they put some kind of brass colored handrails on it. So I decided to leave this one as is, and so I put in a 1666 motor with a smoke unit. I also had to wire a headlight bracket, which turned out to be pretty easy to do. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can check it out. I got everything all ready. Here we go. I'm thinking of trying to do the same thing with the tender to match it. And then maybe even putting a sound power unit in it. And it smokes pretty good. Oh yeah, SaaaMOKIN. Got a pretty good smoke unit. Time to kind of follow it around as it comes by. Smoke's just pouring out of it now. It's almost blowing smoke rings. To put this 1666 motor in there, I just made a couple of shims. And it holds it in there really nicely. All right. About choking me out is smoking so much. So it looks like it's a success, and I think I'll start working on the tender, and then I'll make another video, and you can see how this is progressing. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.